equation we are told that there is a quadratic equation which has two roots. Let us assume that the two roots are p and q. The arithmetic mean of the two roots is 8. So p plus q divided by 2 is 8. So p plus q is equal to 16. And the geometric mean is 4. So square root of p into q is equal to 4. Or the value of p into q is equal to 16. We are told that x square minus bx plus c is the equation that has roots that are square of the roots of the initial equation. So essentially we are required to first calculate the value of p square plus q square and the value of p square into q square. Why is that the case? Because if you have a quadratic equation which is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, the sum of the roots will be minus b by a and the product of the roots will be c by a. So if you know the sum of the roots and the product of the roots, we can easily calculate the quadratic equation. So the sum of the roots, if the roots are the squares of the original equation, will be p square plus q square, and the product of the roots will be the p square into q square. P square into q square is easy to calculate because p into q is 16, p square into q square is 256. What is the value of p square plus q square? We know that p plus q is 16 and p into q is 16. So p plus q whole square, which is equal to p square plus q square plus 2pq. This will be equal to 256. pq is 16, so 2 times pq will be 32. So the value of p square plus q square is equal to 224. We have p square plus q square is 224 and p square into q square is 256. So the given equation, the roots of which are the squares of the original equation, will be x square minus the sum of the roots, which is 224x, plus the product of the roots, which is 256. This is equal to 0 is the new equation. We are told that this is of the form x square minus bx plus c is equal to 0. This would imply that b is equal to 224 and c is equal to 256. So the value of b minus c will be minus 32. We are asked to calculate the absolute value of b minus c. This is equal to 32. So the required answer is 32.